Hey there, good looking. I'm inviting you to come along with me today as I head on over to Northeast Washington, D.C. to a very popular place called Today's Pizza, where they serve a variety of specialty pizzas. Come check me out.
You guys, so today we are at Today's Pizza in Northeast Washington, D.C. Now, let me tell you, I really with y'all. I really love y'all, okay? Because I had to wait 1 hour for this pizza. Apparently, this place is so popular. The food is so good. Mind you, it's in the hood. But everything is good in the hood. Well, not everything. But it's in the hood. And they serve a lot of different foods. But they serve these specialty pizzas. One of their most popular being the Oxtail pizza. Yeah, so I've been trying to get out here for a while. Never did it. But today was the day. So again, like I said, I've been sitting out here. The restaurant is hot, it's crowded. I just went through so much to get to this pizza. So it better be amazing. It better be worth it. I'm gonna blank it up either way. I'm gonna crush it either way. But today, it's on. So get a good look at it, guys. It is loaded with oxtails. And I'll tell you, most of the time, I don't eat oxtail. I don't eat it too often because I don't want to give TMI, but it slows down the progress, if you know what I mean. I mean, baby, it gives rush hour traffic, okay? And I don't like that. I like for things to move smoothly, if you know what I mean. But anyway, I went through what I went through today for you, and I am making the sacrifice of rush hour traffic for you. So if this happens, if traffic slows down for me, I did it in the name of love. So enough with that, guys. Let's get to it. You know, I had my table, but for some reason it's not acting right. I keep putting it on the steering wheel and it keeps falling off. I don't know. But listen, I don't have time. I've already waited an hour for the pizza. I'm not going to waste another minute or a second. Let's get into it. Oh, I also forgot to mention that I'm racing against time because I wanted to get this done before it started getting dark. And it is now 8:27 p.m. So we literally have a matter of minutes before it gets dark. So I am going to move with much haste, as much as possible. Okay? So I'm excited. Even though I'm a little, well, I'm not even hot because I got this AC cranking. Oh, okay. First bite. Not for you. I'm just letting you see it. I already told y'all yesterday. Don't you even fix your lips to get the first bite. If you want yours, I'll give you the information. Anyway. Let me use the plate. Wow. I see why I went through what I had to go through to get this. It's really good. It's really good. So when I came in, what took so long was when I came in to order the pizza, the owner told me that he had just run out of oxtails. So he had to cook some fresh oxtails, and then he had to make the pizza fresh. So that's another reason why I waited, was because I knew that it would be really good and really fresh. And this is absolutely, like, the oxtail is so tender. It's not exceptionally cheesy, but I think because of the fat content of the oxtail, you don't need a lot of cheese. It's really good. I think a nice little cheese pool would have been good. And when I ordered, they gave you the option to add on. And at the top of the list is mozzarella. So I think next time, not that it needs it, but I love cheese like Urkel. Steve Urkel, that is. It doesn't need anything. It's really good. But you know, if I were to add something, I would add some mozzarella, maybe a little jalapeno. You know, I gotta do a little extra. It's the foodie in me. And the flavor? So, if you're in the Washington, D.C. area, that's good. If you're in the Washington, D.C. area, I highly recommend you giving this place a shot. I've been in this area plenty of times. Never knew this place existed. It's basically a little hole in the wall place, but those are typically the best places. Do yourself a favor. Stop by and get your Oxtail pizza. They have a lot of different specialty pizzas too. They have jerk chicken pizza, salmon and shrimp pizza. They have all different types of specialties. They have the DC, I think it's the DC carryout special pizza. I'm not sure what that is. I'm assuming it has something to do with mumbo sauce. I'm assuming. But they don't really give you the list of ingredients, so you don't really know what's on it. I guess you have to ask. But this Oxtail pizza, pretty good. I would give it a solid 9 out of 10. A solid 9 out of 10. Like I said, the only things for me that would make it a 10 would be a little bit of cheese pull and maybe a jalapeno here or there. That would just make it absolutely perfect. But this by itself, it was worth everything that I had to go through to get it. Definitely was. And I'm glad that I did. But of course, should I do anything for you? Now, I haven't had oxtails in so long. But this is definitely good. I'm so glad I waited. I'm so glad I didn't get impatient and say, oh no, just give me something else. I set my eyes on this, and I got this. And I am now reaping the harvest and the benefit of my decision. So definitely, I highly recommend. Highly, highly, highly. I'm definitely going to be back. There are a couple other things I saw on the menu that I want to try. But next time, I'm going to order before I get here. Because, see, I was trying to be slick. I was trying to wait till I got here to order it just to get it fresh, which I did, but I had to wait an hour for it. Next time, I know to order in advance. They had a seafood egg roll, I think I saw. I want to try that. I want to try a few other of the specialty pizzas. Yeah, I'll be back. I'll definitely be back. And you know who I'm going to bring with me, right? That's right. Billy Bob Thornton. Oh, I'm just playing. You know I'm going to bring you with me. You know I am. So good. Oh, wow. Right. An oxtail bone. All right. Maybe he was moving a little bit too fast. Back there trying to cook this oxtail for me. You can't be having bones in my pizza. I've never heard of pizza with bones in it. I like my filet pizza, please. No bones. But I won't hold it against you because it's so good. I won't hold it against the cook. This is so good, I can overlook that. But meanwhile, it's starting a little darker right here. So I'm not going to prolong the time. Again, I highly recommend today's pizza, tomorrow's pizza, and the next day's pizza. If it tastes like this. For those of you who are in the Washington, D.C. area, this place is located off of 12th Street in Northeast. So if you're familiar with that area, you know where it is. It's in the, what is this? It's near Michigan Avenue. I can't think of the name of this. It's a landmark here I can't think of. But anyway, just Google it, child. It don't matter, just Google it. You'll find it. But I would recommend ordering before you come. Order online. Because literally, when I walked in, the line was out the door.
What?
Which is typically a good sign. Let me get into the crust. Hold on. Okay. The crust gives me Papa John's crust. Or maybe a little extra flavor to it. And I actually like Papa John's crust a lot. I do. Yeah, so like I said, I give this a solid 9 out of 10. If you're ever in the area or passing through, do yourself a favor. Stop by and get you some Oxtail pizza. All right, guys, so I'm not going to hold you any longer. I'm going to go. I may eat a slice or two on my way back home. Also, I have some more donuts yesterday from yesterday's mukbang at the Amish market. So I'll eat this and have a few of those donuts, and I'll be good for the night. But anyway, I'm rambling. You know me. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope that you have the most amazing rest of your day, whether it's morning, afternoon, evening, or late night. Be safe, and until next time, bye.